It was a hard thing to do, to go and step into that hospital and to go through that treatment.
My doctor came in on a Sunday, which I was very surprised because he never visited me on Sunday, informed me after testing the results came back that there was a 22.5 centimeter mass growing in me.
Leading up to my diagnosis, I was a normal 23, almost 24-year-old, going to school, working. I never really put two and two together until after the diagnosis that I had all those symptoms.
I'd heard the name lymphoma, but what it actually was didn't resonate with me. When I heard lymphoma, all I could think of was, okay, maybe give me like an antibiotic or something and I'll be fine, feel a little bit better.
I was deep in my career as a singer. I was having such terrible side effects that I was just actually happy to find out what was going on.
For 6 months before I was diagnosed, I was raising my daughter, my first child. I didn't know how to raise a kid.
Most cancer patients will agree that a cancer diagnosis really stuns you.
So there was a lot of confusing aspects about this, and I just didn't really get it at first.
We didn't know exactly what it meant or what was in store for us.
Lymphoma is a disease that affects so many people. Lymphoma patients are old and young. They are men and women. They are everybody. So when you are a doctor of a lymphoma patient, you are a doctor of people who range from 16 all the way up to 92.
I didn't know that someone at the age of 26 could be diagnosed with this type of cancer.
I immediately found the Lymphoma Research Foundation, and it gave me some great answers.
There is so much out there to help us. I believe that education is the key to finding success in your treatment. The more we can learn about our rare disease, the more likely we are to seek the appropriate treatment.
To me, it's turned into a blessing because it's changed who I am as a person.
LRF is important to me because they were there for me right from the beginning. Now you're gonna make me cry. It's a scary experience at 23, 24, when you think that you're strong and nothing's gonna take you down. And that diagnosis was huge for me. There was a sense of security and a sense of people who knew what I was going through.
The Lymphoma Research Foundation has impacted the lives of millions.
From funding the most innovative lymphoma research
And supporting lymphoma patients,
Survivors,
And their loved ones.
Including me.
including me,
Including me.
Whether you're newly diagnosed,
In remission,
or a long-term survivor.
the Lymphoma Research Foundation
is there to guide you through your journey.
you are not alone.
find out how LRF is impacting lives. Visit lymphoma.org today.